ask questions in natural language to your data. Napier Assistant Conversational Analytics will get you the answers, facts, and insights that allow you to make those crucial decisions. Conversationally query your inventory data and ensure the best outcome of your facility's inventory supply and demand. Just ask Napier Assistant for the status of your fast-moving, slow-moving, and non-moving inventory. It can help you to categorize the items as per consumption and then calculate cumulative average stay and consumption rates of each item for a better inventory overview. You can also view the report based on a category, group, or subgroup, or refine it to a monthly, quarterly, or yearly analysis. Then generate results from queries in your preferred format. Use these data-centric conversations with your team and make decisions on the spot. Why wait for data or depend on the IT team for it when you have Napier Assistant?